What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to take a look at what is machine learning. So guys, this term, right, machine learning, it is a term that you are likely to have encountered, during your time on the web or YouTube or news articles or so on. Now you see, machine learning is a very popular field or subfield of the technology domain. Okay, it is trending in modern times. Now, machine learning, you'll find, is often abbreviated as ML. Okay, and it is a field of computation that is trending in modern day. This field, machine learning, comprises or consists of the processes in which machines are taught how to learn and identify patterns and trends in data that is fed to the system. Now you see, this enables the machines to learn from their experiences. Basically guys, that experience, the machine's experience, comes from the data set itself, the data set that we pass the algorithm, and that process or instance during which the algorithm tries to find the trends and patterns in the data set itself, that forms the learning experience. Okay, that forms the experience in which the algorithm, or we say the machine, actually learns. Okay, in actual sense guys, logically speaking, the algorithm is the one that does the learning. Okay, the algorithm finds the trends, the patterns and so on in the data, and it outputs a model, and that algorithm and model, they enable the machine to have that learning experience. Okay, so that is fine. Now you see, machine learning is a combination of fields of powerful computation and calculation. Okay, to name a few fields that machine learning incorporates, it incorporates mathematics, computer science, as well as artificial intelligence. Now, using machine learning methodologies, one is able to step into the future to explore future scenarios and occurrences, as well as develop solutions for the task at hand. Now, one thing that I'd like to mention to you, you see, a stereotype of machine learning is that it is only used to predict the future. Now, this is a stereotype, guys, because machine learning is not only used to predict the future. Okay, machine learning is used for far more than just that. Okay, essentially, to put it simply for you, you see, machine learning is all about giving machines the ability to learn, and human beings are born with the ability to learn. Okay, now you see, in essence and in fact, machine learning will allow for any human-like qualities to be imbibed or passed on to a machine. Okay, now that in itself is not only about predicting the future. Human beings do not live life by only predicting the future. Okay, we learn. Learning forms a major part. Now, in essence, if you combine, for example, a few of the senses to a machine. So, if we provide the machine with a sense of speech using NLP techniques, we can provide the machine with a sense of sight using computer vision techniques and so on. That is machine learning in full form. So as you can see, it is artificial intelligence. It is a form of artificial intelligence. So guys, I hope you found this session interesting. These videos will be short for us, short but informative. We have just successfully learned what is machine learning. Okay guys, so I hope you found this video interesting. Do be sure to leave a like for the video, subscribe to the channel for more such content. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.